Together again.
It's demo day.
Jenny's so excited. It's great to see. It's really great to see.
I don't want to kiss you.
I don't even know what that kiss was.
I have lipstick on.
It's bright and early on Monday morning. We're about to start the roof work, but before that I figured I would just get some unfinished work out of the way, work that Jenny is not too happy to do.
I consider this our security system over here. Anyone that wants to come here and do harm will just trip on this rose bush. Good job.
Okay?
Good job, my love.
Right.
Mon chéri.
Right. Hope that helps you.
The roof work has begun. It's only been, what, 2 hours, and they already have like half of the roof demolished. That's Marvin over there. We're making some progress. And here on the little shed, we're thinking we're gonna have the roof redone on here as well. Originally, he was just going to repair this, but we want the roof to match with the main roof. I cannot believe how much they've gotten done already.
Roof.
First day of work.
First day of
I'm
work.
doing administrative work right now. I'm trying to get the water softener guy here to do an appointment, trying to confirm the, bathroom ventilation people to come in.
Okay.
Trying to keep an eye on Marvin and the workers. They're doing an excellent job.
Made them some coffee, got them some water.
What do they say on YouTube? Like and subscribe.
What do we got going on this afternoon?
Victor, the stone cutter. He's
Stone
coming.
cutter. He's coming to look at this beam and measure and get us a new beam.
Because this beam we're going to replace with the old 17th century beam.
Getting a lot of work done. Started taking out the tile in the bathroom here. Gonna start here and move our way into the other rooms while the roof is being done.
I want to see if these olives are ready to be picked. Ooh, it's almost looking good. I think at the end of this month is when we need to pick all these olives. We have 9 olive trees. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them down here. Okay, I want to go see what Noah's been working on in the bathroom. I was outside checking the olive trees. It's almost time for olive picking. The demo has started. Oh, wow, you did it! Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I want to see how you're doing it.
This isn't that good of a tool though, so I just ordered another thing from Amazon that has an angle because when you're on the ground and you're trying to go in, this wants to go down, not forward. So I bought one with an angle. So when you push, it's just much easier just to clean off the tiles.
Okay.
Yeah, because you see I'm getting some low spots. I don't know how much I have to take off. I have to talk to Teddy.
Good job.
Yeah, it's coming.
Marvin, the roofer, is going to get us his demo truck.
Right, but we're going to need a wheelbarrow to wheelbarrow it all out.
Yeah.
Because I'm filling up the shower.
Oh, wow. So excited. We're doing demo.
Day one.
We're doing demo. Not me personally.
Yeah. Look up on the top of the house.
Okay.
And look back into the house. You'll see above the living room.
Yeah.
you could build a loft up there. I don't know how you get up there, but
Let's go look.
Yeah, so you can see inside of the house. There's like room for
You could
another
put
little room up there, but
like a little, it's more like an attic or something, right?
yeah. Well, that's what we have. We have an attic.
But we're taking a closer look at this over here. And as Noah said, the wood beams look like they're in pretty good shape, so we don't have to replace anything.
So that this right here is a sign. Oh, yeah, you can see it actually.
So Marvin said that he has to replace 4 wood beams on the roof.
Sign of termites here. And you can see here, they're drilling in here. I mean,
Okay, so he has to replace those 4 wood beams and then spray. He's going to spray the whole entire roof.
yeah, I'm just worried.
What do they say? The hits just keep on coming.
Yeah.
And actually, just started. This is the bench that Noah loves. I do too. That's a keeper. I think we are going to go inside now and have a little lunch break. I'm actually very impressed with the work so far that Marvin and his workers are doing. They got here early this morning, supposed to show up at 9. They were here at like 8:45. And so fast, very fast workers.
Yeah, they took out a lot of it.
And then we're still waiting for a call back from Sebastian about the that wood beam right there. We want to cover that in concrete, right?
Yes.
Over here as well. Ah, the smells. I'm still trying to figure out what I am smelling. Is it jasmine? I don't know what that smell is. It's just beautiful. Do you smell that though?
I can't smell anything. I smell concrete from being in the bathroom for the last few hours. All right, we got a lot of the roof done. Good section of it today, which is nice to see.
Ah, c'est Victor, the stone cutter.
Oui.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Victor.
And use the bâton.
Oui, je comprends.
Oui.
Oui, c'est mieux.
And then on
Parce
this, and then over here,
Ouais, parce que moi j'avais vu la photo, c'est où que j'avais vu? C'était celle-là que j'avais vu.
oui.
Ouais, là, c'est mieux le béton. Là.
And we were going to take this out and put the bâton,
Ouais.
but he said no. No, I'm not bois.
Pas
The
de
bois.
bouton bois.
Ouais.
But
Yeah.
no, he said bâton.
Béton, ok.
Oui.
ouais.
Yeah, the
Ça
concrete.
sera mieux.
Oui. And here, this is the one that you have.
Oui, c'est
Ouais,
ici.
une poutre.
Oui.
Yeah.
If I go here, I go here, right? Angle. Wait, like you
Ouais,
said.
les jambes de force. Assaut en bois.
Comme ça?
Wood, yes. Wood tasseau, je crois.
Oui.
Et après le plâtre par-dessus. Et après les étagères dessus. C'est français.
We're trying to see what's underneath this beam. So Victor can measure.
Petite. Alors, il va falloir demander au maçon.
Oh, oui?
What'd you say?
He has to speak to the mason.
Okay.
Si le maçon, ça c'est décoratif.
So if that beam is just decorative, that's good news then,
C'est
right?
les cheminées.
Yeah.
Pour le barbecue.
So there is insulation.
Yeah,
right there.
yeah. That's good.
Why is that good?
Because I was afraid there was no room for insulation.
Oh.
They actually put it in there.
Donc ça c'est structure.
Oh, it is structural.
Mais elle est un peu fine. 1, 2, 3, 6, 0.
They said add a little
Et
for the wall.
No,
too much?
Faut prendre 20 en plus.
Victor, the stonecutter, just left. He says his dream is to restore a chateau.
And we said, well, this is your chateau to restore. And he just looked at me like I was crazy, but he's going to help us.
Yeah, he's very, very passionate about his work. It's such a joy to find someone like that.
Yeah, it's great.
Well,
good night.
a biento.
A biento.